Hello everyone. So today we are traveling from Pune to Tirupati Balaji. So right now we are at Pune Junction. I have added the total cost of this tour in the video as well as in description. The total price for train journey costed me for 1200 INR. We have reached Guntakala station. It took approximately 16 hours to reach at Renugunta railway station. Bus ticket costed me for around 50 rupees from railway station to Nandi Circle. So right now we are going to Tirumala from Tirupati.
Right now we are at checkpoint. We are going for free darshan at
This bus will take us to the temple. The temple area was decorated with lights for Brahma Utsav. Wonderful decoration done by the local people. So we have taken darshan of God and right now we are going down to Tirupati. So this is ISKCON temple. So let's go in the temple. So we took Anna Prasadam at Golden Temple. Mobile was not allowed at Golden Temple. So this is Old Balaji Temple. Right now we are at Buldana Urban Restaurant for having our dinner. Do visit this restaurant for delicious food. So finally our return journey to Pune has started. Right now we are at Renugunta station waiting for our Chennai Express Thank you for watching whole video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video